Until the 1960s, nearly all the world's cargo was transported in a diverse assortment of barrels, boxes, bags, crates, and drums. A typical ship in the pre-container era contained as many as 200,000 individual pieces of cargo that were inefficiently loaded onto the ship by hand. This practice kept the cost of shipping very high. Enter Malcom McLean. Born in 1913 in Maxton, North Carolina, McLean lacked funds for college and began working as a truck driver for his siblings' company. In 1937, while making a routine delivery to a port, McLean sat for hours watching dozens of dock hands load thousands of small packages onto a ship and began to ponder more productive alternatives. At first, he considered loading entire trucks onto ships. In 1952, however, McLean modified his original plan to include just truck containers, which could then be stacked. That was the origin of the modern-day shipping container. In 1956, McLean started his own shipping company, using his containers to offer transport prices that were much lower than those of his competitors. By 1966, McLean launched his first transatlantic service, and 3 years later, he started a trans-Pacific shipping line. As the advantages of McLean's container system became clear, his company evolved to include bigger ships, more sophisticated containers, and larger cranes to load cargo. The development of containerization in the 1950s made the loading and unloading of ships roughly 20 times faster, dramatically lowering cost and revolutionizing international trade. Because of McLean, consumers around the world can now access goods much more cheaply, and this, in turn, has helped boost the living standards for billions of people around the world. It is for these reasons that Malcom McLean is our 17th Hero of Progress.